Everybody, so we're going to do another video today. This time we're going to just be more talking a little bit about a couple words and how they affect you mentally and how we perceive things. So I had a discussion recently with someone about self-defense, about fighting, and trying to help define those terms because the difference in those terms affect how you behave, right? It affects how you think, and that affects how you react to things. So understanding that sparring is something we do in class, for play, for training. That doesn't set you generally in a defensive mindset, because we understand that the person in front of us isn't there to hurt us necessarily, to put us in the hospital or maim us. Okay? This is really an important one. Everyone tends to use the word, I got into a fight. I had a fight. Well, that's not really the case. A fight is when a competitor decides to face another competitor and engage each other. Okay? A fight is two people choosing to engage each other. Now that does happen. Kids in school decide, yeah, I'm going to meet you later on, we're going to fight. Two guys in a bar decide, yeah, I'm tougher than you are, let's go outside and have a fight. Those are two morons that plan to beat each other up. Okay? For most of us, that's not the case, particularly not for adults. Right? I've had fights when I was young. I'm not proud of it. But I've also had situations where this is more important. When, in most cases, the way we think about what we do as martial artists in training, we're preparing ourselves to defend ourselves. We're preparing ourselves for self-defense scenarios. And that completely shifts how your mind should be reacting to the stimulus, to what's happening in front of you. And understanding the difference, particularly between these two, is key. So I'm not training students to fight. I'm not training myself to fight. We are training to defend ourselves. Okay? And in that, someone is trying to engage me, and my goal is not to engage them in return. My goal is to attempt to stop from being hurt and injured and effect some type of escape. In order to do that, I might have to engage for a moment or two to try to create some control, to create some damage to the other individual, to deter them, or make it unlikely or impossible for them to continue to engage me while I effect an escape. Okay? So I just wanted to make sure that we define those terms a little bit to help us control how we think, and hopefully how we think will affect how we react. All right? Thank you very much, and thank you for listening.